effect domino is just in the mind of the people who are negotiating with desperate negotiations with the government to find a job. But the government now put in place a big plan to counter the jobless people and to contact the young people to go and find a new job in the factories who can take them. This project costs nearly $5 billion, and the government has already the money to pay the companies for it. The domino effects, meanwhile, is not has not a consensus here in Algeria. Some analyses say that we will have this domino effect in Algeria, and maybe in the next few days we will have the same protests as in Tunisia. The Berber party RCD, like in Tunisia, is planning to have a demonstration downtown Algiers in Saturday. But other analysts say that it's not possible. We will not have this domino effect, since the government has billions of dollars of money, and he can pay new factories, new economic plan, and he will really handle the situation properly and more easy than Tunisia.